probably quite unique in the way that we are structured as a club, actually. We see ourselves being a community hub. I think we've already had the biggest achievement in the club's history by getting to the final, particularly with the scalp of TNS. That's there for the history books, really, isn't it? It's going to be mental, isn't it? I think we need an open bus, I think, driving through Tonopandi town centre. Over recent years, I think a big part of the structure within the club, as key elements have been the formation of the UEFA Academy has been a massive plus for us.
Mae'n academi dda. Mae'r hyfforddwyr yma yn gwych. Mae pawb ddim yn cael eu talu neu dim byd fan hyn. Ni'n volunteers, pawb ohonyn ni. Ni'n yma oherwydd ni'n caru y clwb. A dyna beth sy'n dangos ar y cae nawr hefyd gan y tîm cyntaf. Ac i ni mynd ymlaen o gobeithio i'r Welsh Premier League. Mae'n mynd I fod yn mwy bwysig hefyd.
The academy is exactly what this club is built on, and I guess what I'm benefiting now is the hard work of a lot of people before me, and some previous managers, I guess, have sacrificed results and performances to allow these players to play, and I'm benefiting from that now, so I guess that's what the club's about.
The players have been absolutely top draw this season. Their commitment, particularly around the cup games, has been phenomenal, achieving things that nobody, they haven't even got the right to do. 4 League of Wales clubs to get to the final, and the top scalps in Wales, basically.
We're certainly confident in what we do, and the fact that we've beaten 4 very good teams will give us even more confidence. But I think, Cardiff Met have beaten Barry 3-0. I think we've beaten TNS 4-1. So we're well aware of what we're up against and how good we have to be on the night.
Mae blwyddyn yma, mae wedi fod fel un clwb, a mae'n dangos beth oedd y torfyn fel pan, especially yn y coronel fyna, pan oedd Mark Crutch yn sgorio'r gol yn erbyn y Seintiau. Mae'n gwych I gweld.
Mae yna barti yn Tonopandi heno. Cambrian y Clydach ar y blaen yn erbyn y Seintiau newydd.
Rhagolwg as a whole is generally seen as a small place because everyone knows each other, and what I've been really impressed with is the local teams. They've come and supported us, and they put rivalry aside, and they're here supporting the local Rhagolwg team, I've been really impressed by that.
Be bynnag sy'n digwydd ar y noson byth gofiadwy bydd hwn am y tîm ac am y clwb.
Everything that we've done over the years, to be fair, we've always had negatives and people say, no, that's never going to happen. But I think we've proved in the past, you believe strong enough and things can happen. So we have got a bit of a background of achieving the unachievable.